Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope all you're good. I am Tipu from here. Today I will show you how you can easily connect A7670G and get the GPS data. Okay, so this module comes with ESP32, A7670G module integrated, and a tiny GPS module, and this is module from Quicktail. This is very good. Okay, so today we are using GPS antenna, active GPS antenna, because I am in the inside of the room. I need to put this antenna in the outdoor. Okay, so I need the long wire, that's why I using this one. But you can also use this is the antenna comes with this board. You can use also, but you need to put the board on the outside to get the GPS signal. Okay, so because I am making the video, so I need to inside, and I will connect this module with this. Okay, so that's it, and I will put this antenna in the outside. Okay, so I can get the data from it. Let's go for coding. So this is the code, very simple code. This is the pinout of the board, and we initialize the hardware serial GPS, and this is the GPS connected internally GPS board, and this is the setup and loop. So I don't go through the code because it is simple. We just print the getting the GPS signal data and date. Okay, so let's say it's COM16 and upload the code. Okay, open serial monitor, and you can see we getting the location and time. Date time is already invalid, but after some times it will get the valid date time. Okay, the date actually, and time I think is okay. 1622. What is 16? 1622, 1022, and it's okay. But date is invalid, but it will like this. Now it's getting the date also, and you can see this is the location, and it is very fast. Okay, so that's it. That's today. You can use this board and connect the GPS, and you can get the precise location data from it. I have a plan to make a GPS tracker with this board and Android app, so you can use the Google Map here. So stay with me, subscribe my channel. I hope I will make a video soon. So thank you very much.